you're sort of in the middle of the song.
He's sort of in the middle.
Hey, do you know how to rewind? Rewind. See, this is like rehearsal for life. But this is how it goes. That's all right, you can just keep it going. That's fine, because now we're at the chorus. Dream sky high, ride the chances flying by. Even angels dream sky high of everything they long to try. The dream is sky high, oh yeah. Now and again the doubts come along, but why let them stay? Everyone's far from who they could be. We're all on our way. Days we were strong, we remember when. Days we were scared, we live and learn. Ask me the way, and I will point above. No matter what, that's where I turn, that's where I turn. Dream sky high, ride the chances flying by. Even angels dream sky high of everything they long to try. Right now, out there in the world, there are children dreaming of being on American Idol. And there are also children in Africa, like the little girl I sponsored through Child Fund in Zambia, dreaming of just having their next meal, dreaming of being able to learn how to read. There are children in Central America, all over the world. There are children in hospitals right down the street at CHOP, Children's Miracle Network hospitals, just dreaming that someday they're gonna walk again. Someday they're gonna be able to play on the swing set again. Are we gonna say yes to these children today? Are we gonna say yes and let them dream sky high and help take them there, even as $1 at a time? Even if it's $28 a month instead of all those Starbucks. What's more important? Right now we're gonna bring to the stage two people who have helped many, many, many dreams come true. Not just the people who have won, not just the people who got to go on tour, but everyone who ever got to work with them, I guarantee you, was blessed, 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 even blessings they don't even know yet. Please welcome to the stage, Michael Orland and Dorian Holley.